Next on the list, this is one of the beginning guys in the whole motivational, inspirational genre. He had this amazing voice from radio, studied success, became successful, and then decided to teach the techniques that he had used to become successful with his business partner. This gentleman's name, the late great Earl Nightingale. Take a listen.
Successful people are not people without problems. They have, as a rule, just as many problems and largely the same kind as everyone else. The difference is that they learn to solve their problems. Successful living is nothing more than the ability to solve successfully the problems which are as much a part of living as breathing.
Powerful stuff, Earl Nightingale.